Hello, grade 8. So this is our first lesson this week. So, yun, under block 9 pa rin siya, linear inequalities. So, our objective for this first lesson is to solve linear inequalities in one variable and represent the solutions on a number line po. So, our first lesson is linear inequalities in one variable. Ayan siya. So, an inequality can have more than one solution. So, dito, di ba, sa ating last lessons po, or last week lang. So, di ba, meron tayong parallel, intersecting, and coincident line. So, may iba doon na merong infinite solution, unique solution, or totaling wala siyang solution po. Okay? So, yun lang yun nandito. So, the set of all the solutions of an inequality is called the solution set. Okay? So, dito, this time po, for this lesson, we're going to represent a solution set using a number line po. Okay? So, kapag ang ating inequality signs are greater than or less than lang po, ang ating magiging endpoint, ayan, di ba, ito yung race natin. So, yung endpoint niya is wala po siyang shade. Okay? Pero kapag ang inequality natin is greater than equal, less than equal, yun, yung dot po natin is, shadean natin siya. Yan. So, solving linear inequalities in one variable, ayan po. So, negative 4x minus 6 less than or equal to positive 10. So, syempre, dito po, first step natin, combine like terms tayo since wala naman silang denominator. Okay? So, proceed na tayo doon sa combine like terms. So, si negative 6, transpose po natin. So, it will become positive 6 po. Okay? So, using transposition method. Ayan siya. And then simplify si 10 plus 6, it will become positive 16. So now we already have negative 4x less than or equal positive 16. So since meron pang kasamang coefficient si ating variable na x, so we have to eliminate that by simply dividing both sides by negative 4 po. Okay? Ayan siya. So ang magiging answer natin is, di ba, 16 divided by negative 4 is negative 4 po. Okay? So, ang magiging answers natin, final answer is x is greater than or equal to negative 4. So, kung napansin nyo, nagbago po yung ating inequality. Inequality sign. Kumbaga, nag-interchange siya. So, every time po na magdi-divide tayo dito, magdi-divide tayo ng negative number sa kanila, o kaya naman negative yung makukuha nating sagot, mag-i-interchange po yung ating inequality sign. Okay? Pero kahit po nasabihin natin, ang given natin dito is sabihin po nating negative 16. Tapos, negative 16 divided by negative 4, magiging positive 4. So, mawawala to. So, mag-i-interchange pa rin po siya. So, magiging sagot natin pag ganun is x is greater than or equal to positive 4. Okay? Mag-i-interchange pa rin siya, although nawala na-cancel out si negative signs po. Okay? Ganun po siya. Basta may negative na i-divide or may negative sa ating na possible value of x, interchange natin si inequality sign. So, next po, represent natin in number line. Yan, number line. So, may shade yung dot natin because yung atin pong inequality sign dyan is greater than or equal and then less than or equal po. Kaya siya may shade. So, since greater than or equal yung final answer natin, so syempre, pa-right side po siya. Okay? Pupunta siya on the right side kasi sabi niyan, greater than or equal to negative 4 po. Okay? Ayan siya. Sunod. Ayan. Ito naman, this time, meron po tayong denominator. So, dito, ang ginawa ko muna is, nilipat ko si negative 3 on the other side. Ayan. Kaya siya naging positive 3. So, since meron po tayong, yung isang term natin is meron siyang denominator, we just need to eliminate po yung denominator niya. Okay? So, syempre, paano ba natin na-eliminate? Kunin natin sa LCD. Okay, ang LCD nila is 2. Okay? So, di ba, ang whole number is meron silang invisible denominator na 1. Tama? So, ayan po, yan. Ang 2 and 1, ang LCD nila is simply 2. So, maka-cancel out si 2. Ayan. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, 1 times x is simply, ano po, x na lang. Okay? Ayan. X. Ayan. And then 3 times 2 or 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 3 is 6 po. Ayan. So, ang answer natin for this problem is x is less than positive 6. So, kapag nirepresent natin siya into a number line, ayan. So, yung dot natin, syempre wala siyang shade kasi less than yung ginamit natin. So, it also goes to the left side po since less than tayo. Okay, so ganyan lang siya. Next. Ayan, delete ko lang yung ating na drawing kanina. Ayan. So, this time, meron tayong dalawang inequality sign po. Parehong, yun, pareho silang less than. So, syempre, so, di ba, combine like terms tayo since wala naman silang denominator. So, saan natin i-distribute si 3? So, syempre, sa parehong side po. Hindi po pwede sa isang side lang, ha? So, si negative 3, si 3, dinistribute ko sa left side and then as well as to the right side po. So, since positive siya, naging negative 3 na po siya. Okay, and then simplify lang po. Negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6 and then 9 minus 3 is positive 6. So, since meron pa rin, since ang goal natin dito is mahanap yung possible value of x, so kailangan natin matanggalan ng coefficient yung ating variable na x. So, we just need to divide all sides by 2 po. Okay, positive 2. So, maka-cancel out si 2. Ayan, so yung kabilang side, simplify na magkabilang side. So, negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. And then sa kabilang side naman sa ating right side, 6 divided by 2 is positive 3. So, kapag binasa natin siya simula sa middle term, papuntang left and then right po. X is greater than negative 3 but less than positive 3 po. Okay? So, pwede nyo naman siyang gawing magkahiwalay. Okay? Pwedeng sa kabilang side is x greater than negative 3. Dito naman is x less than positive 3 po. Pwede po yun. Dito kasi pinagsama ko lang siya since possible naman. Ayan. So, represent natin using the number line. So, negative 3, positive 3 po. Okay? So, sabi dito, x is greater than negative 3. So, since si negative 3 is greater than daw, papunta siya sa right side. Since yung pangalanan, but less, then x is less than x is less than positive 3. So, ibig sabihin, pa left side naman yung isa. So, ayan siya. Pag ni-represent natin siya in a number line. So, kasi magmi-meet sila. Okay? Kumbaga, mag-overlap sila yun. Magmi-meet sila since opposite ways po sila. Opposite ways yung kanilang pupuntahan. Ayan. Next. Ayan naman. So, kapag ganito naman po, we just need to equate this to 0. So, ayan. So, si positive 2, nilipat ko on the left side, naging negative 2 po siya. Ngayon, since meron tayong denominator dito, dito naman po is wala. So, ang magiging goal natin for this problem is magkaroon sila dalawa ng denominator po. Okay? So, ano bang denominator natin? Or LCD, which is x plus 3 po. Okay? So, x plus 3, maka-cancel out po siya. Ayan. So, wait lang. In-x ko lang muna. Ayan. Ayan na po siya. So, dito kasi, na-cancel out si x plus 3. Kaya, naging x minus 2 na lang po siya. Ngayon, ito naman, negative 2. Di ba may 1 nga siya. So, mumultiply ko pa rin naman siya. So, negative 2 and then x plus 3. Hindi ko pa siya sinisimplify. Okay, so yan. Simplify na natin si negative 2. So, negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And the negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6 po. Okay, ayan siya. And then, combine like terms. We will have x minus 2x is negative x. Negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8 po. Okay? Ngayon, isosolve natin siya separately po. Ayan. So meron tayong negative x minus 8 greater than 0 and then x plus 3 greater than 0. Ayan siya. So dito po, kung napansin nyo sa ating first equation po, si x yung nilipat ko sa kabilang side. Kasi as much as possible, since negative siya, gagawa ka ngayon ng way para maging positive yung sign ng ating x po. Okay? So siya na lang yung in-adjust ko, hindi na si 8. Okay? Yun na yun. Nilipat ko si x para maging positive. And then sa kabilang side naman, ayun, since positive na yung x natin doon, si 3 na lang yung inilipat ko, kaya naging negative 3 po. Okay? Ayan siya. So, kung susulat mo siya, pwede siya maging x is greater than negative 8 and then x is less than negative 3 po. Okay? So, pwede siya sulat into one equation lang. X is greater than negative 8 but less than negative 3 po. Okay? Kapag opposite yung signs na nakuha nyo, pwede po iyon. Okay? But there are some cases na pareho yung sign. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo siya pwedeng ganituhin in just one solution set. Okay? Pwede nyo siyang paghiwalay naman. Kung suot nun sa number line, and since less than greater than yan, walang shade yung ating dot. Okay? Yung endpoint natin. And then, since yung isa pa left, yung isa pa right, magmi-meet ulit po sila. Okay? So, ayan na siya. Okay? So, next. Ayan. Tanggalin lang natin yung ating drawing. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ito po, solving inequalities and represent your answer in number line. So, ito na yun. Example ko na lang din siya. So, ito siya. 3x plus 7 less than or equal to 22. So, dito, madali lang siya kasi wala silang denominator. And then, ayun, lahat sila whole number. So, we just need to transpose 7 on the right side. So, it will become negative 7 po. Okay? And then, simplify nyo yun na sa right side. So, 22 minus 7 is 15. And then, since may kasama pa siyang coefficient, divide both sides by positive 3. And then, 15 divided by 3 is positive 5 po. Okay? So, kung napansin nyo, hindi na ako nag-interchange. Walang naganap na interchange since positive yung nakuha nating range of x or possible value of x. Okay? Ayan siya. So, number line, ayan. Positive 5. Asan siya? Ayan. So, kung napansin nyo, may shade siya lahat kasi may equal tayo. May less than tsaka equal. Okay? So, sabi less than, so ibig sabihin, pa-left po siya. Ayan, wala. Ayan, pa-left side po siya. Okay? So, those are the possible values or, those are the possible values of our x. Okay? So, next. So, we have x minus 3 over x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So, dito, since wala na tayo ibang kasamang coefficient, aside kay numerator, kay denominator, pwede na kayong dumiretso na paghiwalayin po sila. Okay yan, di ba? Mas madali siya kapag nakaganyan. Yung kanina kasing example ko po is, meron tayong negative, meron tayong negative 2. Okay? Ayan, so x minus 3 and then x plus 2 po. Okay? Pinaghiwalay ko lang sila. Ngayon, simplify nyo lang. So, si x, magiging negative, transpose, magiging positive 3. Si 2 naman, transpose, magiging negative 2 po. Okay, so di ba sabi ko sa inyo, there are some instances na pareho yung sign, inequality sign nila. Katulad nito, x is greater than or equal to positive 3. And then dito naman, x is greater than or equal to negative 2. Ayan. So, ayan. Ay, hindi. Opposite pala siya. Sorry. Kasi hindi pa natin na-interchange. Ayan. Opposite din pala siya. Okay? So, x is greater than or equal to positive 3, but less than to negative 2 po. Okay? Ayan siya. Yung sa graph po, merong instances na, palagi pala siyang opposite. Yan. Palaging isang greater than, isang less than. And then, yung sa graph pala siya, pwedeng magkahiwalay sila ng, pwede silang, sa number line, pwedeng separate ways po yung puntahan ng kada isa. Okay, katulad niyan. So, unahin natin si x greater than or equal to positive 3. So, andito siya. So, may shade. Ayan po. Si 2 naman is dito siya, negative 2. So, ang sabi kay positive 3, is greater than. So, saan papunta si 3? So, ayan, nauna pala si 2. Okay? Ayan siya. So, dito, si 3 po, since greater than siya, pa-right side siya. So, dito naman, since ang x daw is less than or equal to negative 2, pa-left side naman po siya. Okay? Less than negative 2 po. Okay? So, ayun, may mga instances na yan, nagse-separate sila. Hindi sila laging nag-meet. Okay? So, yun lang po siya. Okay? So, as a senior, you will become intellectually competent, service-oriented, and creative steward of God's creation by having a deep understanding in linear inequalities po. Okay? So, that's all for today. So, yun yung ating lesson 1 for this week. Okay? And yun, that's all for today. Goodbye. And I hope yun, may naintindihan naman. Okay, goodbye. Yan.